Hey guys, in this makeup look I am doing a Dallas Stars inspired makeup tutorial. I use several different products. I started off only using pigments, but because I don't like getting up in the middle of my videos unless I absolutely have to, I kind of just went and used some flat shadows or some pressed shadows from my Cutie Pop Candyland palette. I didn't have that handy, so I used a few things from there. Used some glitter, lots of highlighter on the face, simple nude lips. If you guys would like to check the look out and see how I did it, keep watching. So I don't have a lot of time because it's dark in 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go as fast as I can, so this will be a short one. Start with my Rosemary and Lemon Lip Butter by Burt's Bees. I'm just gonna moisturize my lips because they're super dry. Gonna fill in my brows using my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. I'm literally doing this right before I go to the game. And do the other side. I'm gonna go underneath my brow now. If I have the proper brush to do it. If not, I'm gonna have to skip it. I don't think I have a brush to do that with. Actually, I'm gonna take the MAC 249. This is like the fastest I've ever made. I don't want to run out of light for y'all because it's gonna get dark and you're not gonna be able to see everything. So, just taking my MAC NC35 Studio Finish Concealer, going underneath my brow with this and that MAC 249 I mentioned. I'm gonna take the flat edge of that, just dip it in there like this and clean up my brow area. Just gonna take that brush now and blend downwards. Blend out with my finger. Taking the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer in sheer, and this is going to be my base for today and almost every other day, honestly. And of course, blend it out. I'm using all loose eyeshadows today, so that's kind of different, right? I'm just using some stuff that I've been looking at and like collecting dust for forever. In the crease, I'm taking this color called Thank You. It's from Bare Minerals. This might even be too light. We'll see. It is. And it's shimmery. That's okay though, because I can fix that. I'm gonna do the other one now, just so it matches. I normally don't put shimmery colors in the crease, but it looked matte. But you can't always trust the looks. I'm actually going to bring that color up now into my brow highlight because I like how it looks. So I'm taking what's left on the brush to do that. I'm not adding any more color. For the lid, I am taking this color from Glamour Doll Eyes called Immature. It's a pretty teal. And just applying that with a flat brush. This is just a Bare Minerals full tapered shadow and blush brush. One of their double-ended brushes. I'm gonna dump some into my lid and apply. And when you apply it, it's actually kind of green, which is perfect. It's a really bright color. So that color is really bright. I think I want to go a little more green though, because that's kind of their color, their main color. So I have my Cutie Pop Candyland palette here. I'm just going to take one of the greens. I'm going to take one of the medium dark ones, this one here. I'm actually going to use the same exact brush I just used. I just want to deepen up that color and make it more green than teal. Going back into that crease now, and I'm going to take this orange here in the palette. I know I said I was using all loose colors, but I don't feel like getting back up. So I'm just gonna take this orange here and I'm mixing it with this mustard color in the palette. You can take any similar shades you have or these colors from the palette as well. Taking the same 224 brush I used earlier. I'm sweeping these through the crease to kind of warm it up. I'm gonna add some more color to the lid. The pigment. Sweep again. Crease. I'm gonna do navy. Kind of matching my hair a little bit. This color here, right beside the black. Oh, my nose itches. My nose has been itching all day. I really hope my allergies aren't about to act up again. Should have never laid that color in my crease. It's messing everything up. That shimmer color I used earlier, that I didn't know was shimmery. Now I'm taking that brush and I'm sweeping it up and in a little bit. I'm going back into that crease with the orange. In the inner tear duct, I'm just going to take that teal pigment I used earlier at the top and bottom. And then for the lower lash line, I'm taking this eyeliner from MAC called Pressure. It's a navy. Taking the e.l.f. glitter primer. I'm just taking a little bit over the area that I'm using it. Gonna go in with some glitter. This is Eye Candy Cosmetics. It's one of their glitters. Taking a flat brush. I'm just gonna spread a little more of the glitter primer in the areas that are kind of patchy. Because nothing's gonna stick if you don't have primer there. Much better. Yes. Love the sparkle. Okay, I'm just gonna touch up some colors here. Gonna go in my crease again, or an outer V. With that darker shade, that navy I used, just ensure that that's blended out and that it's super deep. You might not want it deep. It just depends on color preference. I like dramatic, so that's the way I'm going. Okay, I'm gonna dust that brush off and go in with the orange again. And just make sure everything's blended as well as possible. Okay. I'm going back in with the brown highlight, which is the Thank You that I used from Bare Minerals. And I'm just applying this underneath to kind of bring that dark color down. And it's going to add some shimmer underneath the brow bone. And I'm also applying some to the tear duct and bringing it down. Applying some eyeliner at the top now. The NYX Epic Ink eyeliner in black. It's just a pen liner. Concealer, using the ColourPop No Filter concealer. Hopefully it's still light enough. I think this is dark 40. I'm pretty sure. The label came off. This is Sedona Lace 872 that I'm using to blend it out with. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. This is my Pure Fully Charged. Okay. I have some lashes, my usual wispies. I'm gonna throw those on. Before I try to attempt covering the lash band and things like that. Okay, taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. This is in shade 390. This is my color. I'm just using this cheap foundation brush from Amazon or somewhere or another. And it's perfect. I'm going around the concealer to buff that in, blend it in. Okay. I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista Illuminating Highlighting Strobe Powder. I'm taking the other end of the brush I used earlier for the eyelid. I'm going to take the Ben Nye Orange Pop Powder Rouge. It's orange. Dust my brush off from the highlighter, and I'm lightly dusting this on. Okay, for lips, keeping those nude. I'm not doing anything crazy there. Got it. I'm using the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in Attention Haul. It's really nude. Forgot to cover my lash band. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look inspired by the Dallas Stars. So it'll be perfect to wear to the game. All the glitter, very simple to wear. You could really wear it, not even for the Dallas Stars game. It could be for any type of occasion or anything that you want. Please rate the video, subscribe to me if you have not, and turn your post notifications on so you don't miss any new videos I post. I'll talk to all of you soon. Thank you for watching.